Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to delete a playlist on YouTube using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So now just go ahead and open any browser that you want to use and search for youtube.com. Okay, so now once you've done that, you want to click on the library here at the left side of your screen. So once you click on library, you can see the playlist section right here. So as you can see, I don't have any playlist, so I'm just going to show you how I will create a playlist. Now just go ahead and choose any video that you want. So for example, this first video, this one. So what you need to do is to move your mouse on that video and you can see these three little dots at the video, okay, at the right side of the title. Now click on Save to Playlist. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Create New Playlist. Now you can create a name for that playlist and the privacy of that playlist. So I'm just gonna keep it private and click on Create. So now when we refresh our YouTube, you can see that there's this playlist right here. So I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna add more videos on this playlist. So again, I'm just gonna move my mouse until I see these three little dots and click on Save to Playlist. So now instead of creating new playlist, I'm just gonna choose the playlist that I've created. So now when you click on the playlist that you've created, it will automatically save or add the video on that playlist. Okay? So again, click on the three little dots, save to playlist, choose any playlist that you want, and it will automatically added on that playlist. So now let's proceed on the tutorial. So now as you can see on the playlist section, you can see the playlist that you've created. And you want to click on this View Full Playlist right here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on that. And you should see like this. Okay, so now here at the above button of the Play All button, you can see the three little dots, right? So now just go ahead and click on that and you can see a lot of options. But here at the bottom part, you can see the Delete Playlist button or option. So just go ahead and click on that. And now, if you're sure about deleting your playlist, there's this note. So deleting playlist is a permanent action and cannot be undone. So before you click on the delete button, you should be mindful of your action. But if you're sure about it, just go ahead and click on delete button. Now, I'm just gonna refresh it again. And as you can see, my playlist section is now empty. So that means that the playlist that I've created is now deleted. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.